What's good, YouTube? Gary here with Daily Bricks. Today we're going to work on week 14 of our Tribune Tower. So stick around. Alright, so last week we left off with just these two sections. This week we combined these sections here, and we constructed a few floors here. And let's look at the back. Alright, so this back end here, we did a couple of floors. Lost count of how many I needed. And so every week I keep talking about this big shipment from Poland. I ordered it on, today is, what is today? Let me check. Today is the 24th. I ordered it on the 1st, and it didn't leave Warsaw until like the 13th. So hopefully it gets here within the next 2 weeks. I have a contingency plan for next week, so I think we'll have this part done next week. All in all, looking pretty good here. If you looked at my last video, I was talking about putting the National Bank to the back here, and that isn't going to work, and I'll show you why. Alright, so we got the National Bank, and the instructions were from Brick City Depot. But like everything else, I changed up a few things. So I added another floor, the second floor here, to make it taller. And this was one of the tallest buildings in my city before the Tribune Tower. And you can see it's still taller right now, for the moment. But as you can see, there is no windows. There's no windows on the side. There's no windows in the back, which kind of bothered me. But in the old city layout, I rarely went to the back side, so it didn't seem too off. But now it is. But I was thinking that this will work back here. Right up against there. But the problem is, and let's turn everything back around. Alright, so the problem is that the street would be here, and I would need like a corner module to go right here. It just would look kind of funky, especially with nothing on this side. So I'll figure something out. Maybe just add some windows to some of these top floors here. What else wanted to talk about? Ah, hold on. Alright, so I meant to mention this last week about the rumors that base plates are going away. And I mentioned when these first row plates were introduced that it was my opinion that base plates were going away because it didn't make any sense to have the row plates that didn't match up. And then I doubled down saying that the new modular was going to not have base plates. And then I was wrong on that point. But now I'm going back and I'm tripling down with these new news that base plates are going away. We're going to have to deal with some sort of alternative. I wish Lego had just introduced whatever it is that they were going to go with all at once, you know. All we have right now are straights. So we don't know what their plan is to have curves. We don't know what their plan is to, you know, maybe they're going to do base plates are just going to be, you know, as thick as a plate. I don't know. But I think next week I'm going to try and mock up another road right here. Well, no, I'm not going to have enough space for that. This little table isn't going to accommodate that. But I don't know. This is looking decent to me. So what I've done is I've extended. I made everything on mills, pretty much, is where I'm going now. And I like this little step here. So this is all going to be one way. In the US, we have yellow solid lines to represent where the opposite end of the road. So you know that yellow is on the left side of your car, basically, right? And solid meaning you can't pass. So if these were all solid white, you would still move in the same direction. You just aren't supposed to be able to pass. Well, so we integrated the lights. Let's go ahead and turn the lights on. Alright, so we got lights, but these construction workers just showed up. I put an ad in the paper. I needed some more help, and they look a little sketchy, but I guess they'll work. This is shaping up to be all right. So stay tuned for more. Please like, subscribe. Leave me a comment. Oh, comments from last week. I really appreciate all of your comments. It means a lot. Thanks for watching. Peace.